In this video, we're going to take a look at the Ryobi 18 volt 13-inch trimmer and edger. What's up, people? So I picked up another Ryobi tool here I wanted to share with you guys. This one is the 18 volt 13-inch trimmer. Already took everything out of the box so you guys can take a look at it. Picked this up at Home Depot for $129. This is everything it comes with. As you guys can see, you got the shield with the wheel on the end there for edging. You get a 4 amp hour battery, charger. This is the actual trimmer in 2 pieces here. We'll go ahead and put that together in a second. Then it also comes with 2 attachments for trimming. These ones have the blades on the end, and then it comes with 1 of the wire attachments, which is pretty nice. Alright, so I'll show you guys how this gets put together. It's super easy. What you're gonna do here is you're gonna line up the 2 arrows. There is connections in there that need to plug into each other. So to make it easy, just line those up there. Go ahead, push it in, and then this collar just twists to tighten everything up. Real simple. Then you can go ahead, adjust the handle here, tighten that down. Next step after that is you're going to want to put the guard on. Let's go ahead, line it up with the 3 holes. And then run the screws in there, and then you can tighten them down. And that's pretty much it to put it together. Super easy, won't take that long at all. Now what we'll do is we'll go over some of the features of this weed whacker slash edger. Up here by the trigger, you got a safety mechanism. Won't allow you to pull the trigger unless you're pressing down on the safety mechanism here. Obviously the battery goes in the back here, and like I said, it does come with a 4 amp hour battery, so that's nice. It does state on the box with that 4 amp hour battery, it should have a 1 hour runtime. Right here you got your adjustable handle. Just loosen this up, allows it to move freely, and then you can lock it into place, whatever is comfortable for you. And as you can see stated on the handle here, this trimmer does have an auto feed. So as soon as you release the trigger, the string will advance if need be. As you guys can see on this side, you got your protective deflector here. You got your wheel on this side for when you're edging. And then right here is, you step on this and it'll go from edging to weed whacking or vice versa. So pretty much you step on that and it swivels the head. Go ahead and show you how this step works. Right now you're in weed whacking mode. Go ahead, hit that, pops to the side, and allows you to go into edging mode. Want to go back, just hit that again, twist it, locks into place, you're back into weed whacking mode. So that makes it real simple and easy to bounce back and forth between jobs. Also, what I wanted to point out, up here on the handle, it actually has a high and low switch, which is also nice. Alright, I'll show you real quick how to change out the string to the blade. It's real easy. Just push these 2 buttons. There's one on each side here. Pops this cap off. Go ahead and take the string out. And then this has the 2 clips that clip in there, and then you're done. So pretty simple and easy to do. You always want to go back, just take that off. You guys want to put the string back on, just go ahead, put the string through the hole here, make sure it doesn't unravel. Want to make sure it doesn't get caught on anything here. Pull it tight and put the cap back on. You're ready to go. It actually has its own trimmer here. Actually has the trimmer here, so if the string's too long, it's automatically gonna trim the string for you. So now we'll go ahead, we'll test it out, see how well it does. That's low. This is high. Alright, so for the first time using the edger with the string attachment, I haven't edged back here in a while. So that's what it looks like for the first time. But what I did notice is the string is getting ate up pretty fast. So you have to stop and then go ahead and restart it so that the string extends. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to go ahead and switch to the blades and see how well that works. Alright, so that's what it looks like after using the blade on the edger. Not too bad for the first time through. Gives it a nice groove. Better than using the wire or the string. But I did notice from hitting the driveway a little bit, as you can see, the plastic blades are already chewed down quite a bit. And I literally, this might be a 10-foot, if that, section. So I didn't do that much at all. Go ahead and pop this off, and we'll compare it to the one I haven't used yet. And that's what we're looking at. So you guys can see there, it chewed off a lot of the plastic. Probably a good inch there. And I'm gonna say that's due to the fact that the plastic on here is super soft and thin. So I don't know how well that's gonna hold up over time. Obviously, you know, it's in your best interest not to clip any of the concrete as you're edging. It might be easier after I do this first edge, and then when I come back weeks later and re-edge again, I already have that groove established, so it might be a little bit easier, and I'll be able to preserve that plastic blade. And I'm really not sure how much these blades are, but this might be actually pretty expensive. Now you probably won't have this issue if you don't use these for edging, if you use these for weed whacking, but you're probably going to have the same problem while weed whacking if you're weed whacking close to metal fence or something like that. You're probably going to break these off. Like I said, these are not very strong at all. I actually had a set of blades on my gas weed whacker, and they were way thicker than this and a lot more rigid, and they lasted a good while because they didn't wear down as fast. So I'm not too happy with how easily these are wearing down. So all right guys, so I went ahead and edged the rest of this here. I actually popped in another one of the blades here, and I did notice something else too, because I was thinking it had something to do with me getting too close to the concrete, not using the guide here. These blades are actually got a lot of play back and forth here. So I was watching this spin. When it spins, these blades kind of do this. So no matter how centered you are in that groove, there's still a chance of this blade moving back and forth and clipping your driveway or sidewalk and prematurely eating away at this blade here. So I'm not sure if I really like this setup, or these blades at least. I don't know if they sell anything else that's heavy duty, or if this is all they have available for this edger slash weed whacker. But these are not going to last very long at all, so I'm pretty disappointed in that. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and switched back to the string. Like I said, I'm not too happy with these blades here, but overall the weed whacker itself doesn't lack in power. I like how it has the adjustable options here. The trigger is variable too, so if you pull just a little bit on the trigger, it only throttles up as much as you pull, so that's nice. I started doing that with this second blade here as I was edging, so if I came close to the concrete, I kind of eased off of it and slowed down a little bit. It's also nice, like I said, with this little mechanism. I don't know how long this is going to last for it to pop to edging. Once you push this down, and it locks into place, and vice versa. I don't know if that's going to be something that's easily breaks after a while. Only time will tell. Overall, the weed whacker itself, I have no problems with. I like. With that being said, I do have an issue with these blades and the fact that while in edging mode, the string just kind of breaks off real easily. So I don't know how well this is going to do as an edger. Weed whacker, no problem, but as an edger, I'm going to have to mess with it a little bit and see if I can get it to work a little bit better. If you guys got any ideas, go ahead and post that in the comments below. If you guys are having the same issue, or if you found a way around this so you're not wearing down these blades so fast, let me know in the comments. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Helps me out a lot. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel here, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.